Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade ETFs on eToro. So first what we're going to do is we go to Discover and then we click on ETFs. There right now you will find right here all the ETFs. You can also filter them. So let's say I want the highest return standing right here, and you can do this for more of course. But right now I want to have, let's say, I don't know. Now let's say reset all filters, so it's back. And right now we are having the Vanguard S&P 500 right here. So I will show you with that ETF how to trade. I won't tell you which ETF is the best. You need to do your own research for that. But let's click right here on the Vanguard S&P 500 and then we click here on trade. Then right now the first thing that we're going to do is select right here amount and then fill in 1K. And if you want to buy just one share, then switch it and fill in one share. So you can decide for yourself which one you want to do. I want to do 1K again, so that is fine. And then right now you can create a stop loss or a take profit, but we are not interested in that. So we remove this one. So click on take profit, remove, and there we go. And then right now click here on buy. There we go. And now if you go to our portfolio and click here on the VOO, you see right here that we created a position for the S&P 500, but they received it. They can't fill it. And that is because the market is closed. So when the market got opened, they will fill our orders. You see right here, you have 3 pending orders. So we need to wait for that. But when the market is opened, he will automatically and directly fill your order. So let's say they fill your order, then you can click right here on cancel or close trade to close your order. So let's say we want to close this, cancel order, then you can close it from there. Now, if you go back and we want to create a sell position or short position, we can do that too. Click on short and then do exactly the same like we did for the buy position. So this is how you can trade ETFs on eToro. If you have questions, please comment it down below so I can help you out right there. Then for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.